Xander's on. Scotty's on.
Okay, so
We're playing with blower motor.
I remember John said that he had issues with the air conditioning. Now, I didn't know if he meant that it just didn't blow cold enough, it blew hot, it didn't blow at all. It just blew air.
There's no problem with Scotty's blower motor.
Correct, this is true. So, me and Xander decided we're gonna start checking underneath the hood, see if there's a broken line, if anything's missing, whatever. So here's our blower motor wire, directly wired to the blower motor. It's not hooked up to anything.
Yeah, there's no resistor, there's no clippy, there's no thingamabob.
Yeah, I have no clue what that's for either.
No doodad. Oh, there's more funky wires down there. Cute.
Ah, lovely.
That's
for the horn. That's the horn relay.
So the horn does not blow.
Nope.
Scotty,
But I'm bummed.
I hear yours blows.
So,
John said he missed our R-rated videos, by the way, and he's so glad we've sent him a shitload of them today. I'm like, yes, welcome back to the fold. You're
Yep.
going to be getting a ton of them the next month or two. Off and on.
Because this is wired direct, I'm going to have Xander connected to the battery because we're already grounded.
Hey, maybe you should hook the ground terminal up on the battery.
Hook the ground terminal up on the battery.
Hey, you know what? Maybe that's why it doesn't work. Ooh, we're blowing.
So, good.
Nice
We know we
car.
have a good blower motor. So, that's a good thing. So, what we need to do is, I was digging around and Xander gave me some help.
You're dicking around.
Here's the connector.
There's a connector.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
There's been a lot of loose connectors in this car.
Yeah. So, what we need to do
There's been
is
whole mess
make
going on
some connections for this. I'll have Bobby get me some connectors so that we can put it back together properly.
Yes.
And we'll route everything and run the ground like it's supposed to, run the power like it's supposed to. But before we do that, we'll leave everything connected, put a meter on it, and see if from the switch to here, it triggers power of some sort. If
Hey.
it does, and we know we've got the right one, we can run that in.
The backseat lights aren't on. Well, geez, Xander. Sorry, you got me excited. I didn't know you unplugged the damn battery. I got all excited.
Well, this door's still open too.
Well, I don't know. I figured maybe that whole thing's
Well,
disconnected.
maybe, yeah, just kind of be careful with the wiring and everything and see what we get. Because I did some repairs, not a lot.
Not closed all the way.
And you told me to be careful.
Yeah.
It is out of the way. What?
No, because the front lights didn't turn off that time.
No, the door didn't close, genius.
I've had a day, okay? I've had a day. Nobody's starting to crap with me. Nope, they're still on. Okay. Anyway,
So
back
we've
to
got
our
a little bit more to go.
back to some blower action.
So, looks like we're going to be doing some chasing of wires for a while, but I'm fairly certain, I've gone over everything with Xander to see what he thinks, where we're at. We're both pretty much in compliance. We need to rewire that door. Somewhere in that door, someone took power from one and put it to another.
Yeah, and it's a mess.
Because when you hit the window motor switch,
It
for
has
this
that,
window,
that light turns on.
the
and
light
off.
turns on.
Yeah, that's weird.
So I'm going to have to gut that door. I mean, literally gut that door for everything it's worth and start chasing the wires and figure out where they connected something that they shouldn't have.
Well, you're good at that with Twinks, so
I'm good at that with a lot of things.
that's rearranging guts, though.
This is true. There's a difference.
Oh my god.
But
anyway,
on that note, and a doorbell, and quitting time,
for Scotty, anyway,
Yeah.
the rest of us have to work till. What time is it now?
2 o'clock.
Oh god, I have to talk to that. Never mind.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be nice.
Be nice.
Customer service voice. How can I help you today? When
Thank you for calling. Before we fuck your ass up, please tell us what the problem is that we didn't do in the first place.
That's exactly what it is.
Oh, exactly. I know.
Would
But-
you like me to pistol whip you now or later?
Ooh, later, Daddy.
Yes! Freaky bitch.
So, on that note, John, we've gotten a lot done.
Yeah, there's miles of stuff done
If
today.
you see this video,
Which he will. He loves these videos.
get a hold of Bobby. Let me know how long you've had this car. I don't know if this is a new acquisition for you or you've had it for a while.
Yeah, I don't know the
If you've had
history.
it for a while, I'm dying to know who did some of the work on this car.
So you can strangle them later?
Can I say that in? I can't say that in public.
Yeah, you can.
No, because then that's technically considered a terroristic threat.
Oh, well. I'll do it.
I would like to discuss things with them playing patty cake repeatedly in a closed room with no one witnessing anything.
And he's playing patty cake with their face in his fist, but...
And just know that I'll probably get less for a rape charge than I would a murder charge.
Yeah, you probably would.
Yeah.
This is true.
So, but,
Anyway.
John,
Scotty, you're a mess, and we love it. He's not really a mess, but there we are. That's the progress for the day. And with that, Scotty is done. Scotty has left the building. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. Dear Elvis.
Shut up.